Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review. This time I'm going to be reviewing this ECBasket nail drill machine. So first of all, let me just show you what it comes. It comes in this box, okay, and it just says ECBasket handheld nail drill with 4 nail brushes. So let's open the box. How do you open this? Oh yeah. I was doing it the wrong way. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, so you're gonna get this Chinese kind of instructions, I guess. Yeah, it's like an operating manual, and it tells you important safety precautions and all that. Also, you get a 1-year limited warranty and free replacement service. Okay, now let me tell you, this is from Amazon, so I will leave all the information for you guys. And wow, this is really nice. I haven't really had time to actually see this, so this is kind of like my first time seeing this and opening. So you will receive this. It's kind of light, but it definitely has some weight, but not like super heavy or anything. It's really pretty. I really love the rose gold. So you get your cord. So it's not battery, it's actually electricity. And then right here you have a speed control. This is like to fast or to change the direction that you want to go. So yeah, let me just open this. Also, you get this nail bits. They are not my favorite, but I guess they're alright. But I have some other kind of nail bits, but we're gonna try this one. Why not? Also, you will receive 3 big nail brushes, which I really like these. Okay. So yeah, I like scrubbing my nails after I use acetone and all that, or just whenever I wash my hands, I always go like that. So that's really nice. You're gonna receive 3 of them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this review, I will show you. We're gonna try this nail drill, see how it works. So for this, I already got some gel polish on that nail, and let's just plug it. Oh my goodness. So okay, yeah, so that's how you turn it on. Yeah, and this is for the speed. It's not, you guys can hear that, but it's not super loud. That's like the fastest it will go. Alright, another thing that you guys can see on this nail drill, let me turn it off. Okay, so another thing you can see is this goes right in there, and it's supposed to stay. Like, I know a lot of people are scared of the drills that you just stick the nail bit in there. I'm not, because I actually, the one I owe from is the same way. So let's turn it on. Okay, and let's see. Hopefully you guys can see that. Speed is going faster. So it goes pretty fast. So I'm gonna use it on this nail. I got some gel polish, like I said, so. So it does remove the gel polish. And like I said, these are not the best nail bits, but as you guys can see, they work pretty good. I like how it feels on your hand. Not bad. Not bad for a little drill. So if you're like me, starting on gel and I guess acrylics, this is a pretty nice nail drill to start with. Definitely recommend it because as you guys can see, it works pretty good. And if you buy some other kind of nail bits, you're probably gonna get like better results. I mean, this is not bad, seriously. Because I had some nail bits that came with my other drill that I got off AliExpress, and they just didn't work at all. Some of them were just like not good at all. These are working really nice. There you go. So let me just go ahead and turn off this. So what I just want to say, you know, it feels really nice. It works really well. It does what it's supposed to do. So definitely really like it. So I'm gonna leave all the information for you guys. Hopefully you guys will like it too. And like I said, if you're like me, that you just only gonna be using it for your own nails, I mean, it should be good for you. It didn't get hot at all. And usually when I do my nails and I use a drill, I usually do one nail and then stop. So I don't know how it would work for like a full set, or if, you know, but for me, it's perfect. I really like it, like I said, so definitely recommend it. So I'll leave all the information for you guys. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.